right, so with the rule changes and things that have happened in the last few months, open houses. We're talking about open houses. Hey there, I'm Christina Sparks, realtor and owner of House of Sparks. Can agents still hold open houses?
Absolutely.
Should, because of these changes. Home buyers, can you go to open houses being unrepresented? You can buy a house being unrepresented. Yes. Go to the open house. If you want to see a house and you don't want to sign with an agent, go to the open house. Home buyers, if you go to an open house and you are unrepresented, are you obligated to work with the agent at that open house? No. No, you are not obligated to work with an agent at all.
You should.
But you're not required to. Home buyers, when you go to an open house, that agent that is hosting that open house is working on behalf and in best interest of the seller. Period. Can you ask them questions? Absolutely. About the property. Should you want to move forward, can you hire that agent? Absolutely. The only way that you can hire that agent that is hosting that open house is if that agent switches to a dual agent, which the seller also has to agree to. I will add that that's not always the best thing for you to do, is to have a dual agent. Sometimes it's fine and it doesn't matter, but most times get your own agent. Another route you could take is going to an open house and you're already working with an agent. You can disclose that to the agent working the open house. You can say that you have an agent already, and you can use that agent to write up your offer and take you through the rest of the home buying process. Have questions? Feel free to reach out. Always happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.